Good morning, everybody. Buddy here from Bert's Garage. Still working on the steering wheel. It got a little chilly yesterday, but today seems to be a nice day. So let me flip this around and I'll show you what I'm up to. This is the steering wheel, which we're going to install. I had to put it all together, but it was pretty self-explanatory. Just making sure that all the contacts are clean back in the back. For that little gizmo there, which actually activates your horn. So I'm gonna see how it works, and I'll let you know once I get it all installed. But it shouldn't be very difficult once I get the screw on there. I'm not sure how long I want to be here today, but I'm gonna try to get the steering wheel on and get the horn button on. And then I'm going to work on getting the hood, making sure that the hood is all aligned down here across the bottom. Make sure it's got the proper bow in it, so when I put the grill back in, it's all sitting right. And then I'm going to work on sanding it, getting it prepped for the paint. So if I get a warm day, I'm going to put some paint on this. So hopefully it will be sooner than later. I'm going to tape everything off, cover everything with plastic. I'm going to shoot the hood and the trunk probably outside, depends on the weather. But if I've got to be at least 65 degrees. So I think in the forecast it's got some warmer weather. And then I need to get my bumper on there really good. And I've got new bolts ordered for that. So that's where we stand. So I'll show you what the steering wheel looks like momentarily. Appreciate it. Thanks. All right, so I got the steering wheel in. As you can see, I think it looks really good. Sort of sits off the period piece, but also gives it a classic look for the inside of the MG. So that's a success. I still haven't got the horn figured out. I'm going to do a little research on that before I put the little button. It's got a small button that right there on the dash, right there, that needs to be, you push this and it goes and touches the metal and it grounds it, so it causes the horn to go off. So still got to do a little research on that, but I'm not going to rush it today. It's still not the greatest day to be out here, but I just wanted to hang out here a little bit, and I'll give you a little update a little later. Thanks. Good morning, everybody. Buddy here at Bert's Garage. I want to go over a couple things I did yesterday and give you a little update on the MGB. Coming along really good. And that the weather has not cooperated, so we'll have to wait until the temperature gets a little warmer. So I'm going to flip this around. And a couple things I did yesterday. I did some work on the hood, getting it nice and smooth. I'm going to probably sand it tomorrow. I want to get the hood, sand it tomorrow, so if I get a 70-degree day in the next couple of weeks, I can paint that. Also, I took the bumper off and adjusted both of the braces that hold the bumper on so they're exactly correct. So I will be covering the engine and everything, because I'm going to do a touch-up right here on this, part, and across, just right around the area that it was hitting when I first put the hood on. So I'm going to touch this up a little bit, and probably will paint it to this area. So I got to sand that real lightly, sand it. I did get the new steering wheel in. It looks great. Hopefully I got the horn fixed. I had to come up with a solution for that, which I think I came up with. But the steering wheel looks fantastic. The trunk here, trunk lid, the boot, it's not matching very good where I did the touch-up right here. So I'm going to take this off and actually repaint this and put another coat of clear. I'm going to try to fix this, but if I can't, I might have to repaint that too. I could just do a section here and a section right there. And I might just do that. I think that's probably the best, because I won't be happy with it. And And then I'll be putting it all back together and getting a hardtop on it. And car's running great. Ran it yesterday. It just purr like a kitten. I am just amazed. I am just amazed that it's doing that. So that's where we stand. So I'll give you an update later on this week, but I'm going to get this out. Also, stay with me because I want to show you a new project I just started at the house. Since the weather's so cold outside, that real interesting little project I got. So hang on there for a minute. Alrighty, here's what I want to show you. This is what I'm working on when the weather's bad. This is a old 1950s, I guess 50s, 60s Samsonite suitcase. I don't know if anybody have Googled any of this. And what I'm doing is building a miniature railroad inside of this suitcase. So once I have it, I just put together this is the housing for the train. And these are the cars, and I got people, and the whole layout will be circular. And this is just the first step, just getting the foam inside of it, and then I'll be cutting it out, putting trees and rocks, and I'll have a water feature going through the park. Through the piece. Then I'll have a park setting for and some kids playing. And you see, got little miniature cars, a little miniature. That's a Santa Fe little rail. That's this is D scale. So I want to show you what I'm doing when it's snowing outside and there's not enough to do in the garage. That I've got some other projects to do. So it'll be interesting. I'll keep you updated on it, let you know how it goes. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Thanks.